Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and another video. If you are seeing my face for the first time, I am Nana Bema, a Ghanaian content creator. I told you that I'll be bringing you something new and you said okay, bring it on, we're expecting it, we are ready. Now today be the day. I think about 5 years ago, when I was newly introduced to YouTube, I was looking for a Ghanaian recipe a random recipe, and then I chanced on Obaapa's kitchen. To those of you who are not Ghanaians, Obaapa simply means a virtuous woman or a virtuous lady. So I got to know about this channel, Obaapa's kitchen, and I was following up on her. She'll be sharing videos on food. Talk of mukbang, what's the word? That eating thing. Obaapa happens to be the first channel that I saw with a mukbang. Yeah, she would be eating fufu and omutu like she's the only one on YT, and I enjoyed it. I so much enjoyed watching it. Talk of a tree voice over her, Obaapa. Yes, I first heard of tree voice over. That is one thing that made me become glued to her channel. If you know me, you know how much I love my language, you know how much I love speaking tree. So once in a while she'll be sharing her life journey. She shared how she lost her mother, blah blah blah, how she came to US, how people treated her, and how God came in for her. Hey, I loved her and I still love her. I loved her videos because she wasn't only sharing cooking recipes, she will share her life experiences, so that even if you're a subscriber and you are going through a challenge, you are going through a difficulty, you know that, oh, someone has been there, and so God is going to see you through. Back then I didn't know what the description area was, so once she used to go live, and then because of the time difference, I always miss a live stream. Yes, I think it was once or twice that I got engaged in her live stream. So once I saw a live replay, and then she introduced the newly Ghanaian content creators at the time. So she mentioned Bafuboni. Bafuboni happened to have been the only male among them that she mentioned. So Bafuboni, Cooking with Gifty, Nanabe's Kitchen, Dakti for You, Fauzia Mola, and then Sweet Ajeli. No, Kwanchua Kwanchua had not started her channel. Even if she had, she wasn't mentioned in that video. So from that day, I didn't know how to go to the description to go and click on the links. So I took a pen and a paper, and then I wrote all the channels down, and because it was an instruction from Obaapa, I went to these channels and then subscribed. I subscribed to all of them. And what fascinated me at the time was the fact that there was so much hatred on Obaapa. Yes, she would post a video on food and some people will criticize her. Some will come and say, we don't do it this way, it's supposed to have been this. She will bring her husband to Ghana, and then the attack was so much on her. But she didn't say that, oh, I will not push these people. She didn't think that, what if I push them and they become greater in numbers than myself? No, Obaapa would be giving shout out here and there in her videos on these small or newly or small baby up and coming YouTubers that we now see with greater numbers than Obaapa. The message I want to put across is, let us help one another on this street. This thing that I am saying, I think a majority of people will be saying, oh wow, so she did that, unless someone goes and dig into the past, you will not know what people have done. So if you started your journey, your YouTube career, because of an inspiration from any of these creators. It might not be the channels I have mentioned, but it could also be that the person through whom you got on this platform was also motivated by these people. So it might not be direct, but indirectly we are all here. Most of us are here because of Obaapa. Because of Obaapa. Yes, I can say it. You can quote me anywhere. I can say it with my chest out that yes, Obaapa has been a pillar on this busy street of Whitey. She's helped many. I have not spoken to her. She's not aware I'm making this video. I don't even have her number. I don't know Obaapa from Adam. I don't know her. But it is what I have seen that I want to share. It is what I know that I want the new generation to know and appreciate. Yes, sometimes we think that, oh, these people, they are not supportive, they are not blah, blah, blah. You may never know. They have paid their dues. They have done what they could. Yes. And so, Obaapa, Mami Lizzie Mami, Oyema Mami, Ayuku, God bless you. On behalf of all of us, we are here to say, Onyame Nhyira, we appreciate your goodness. Yes, Abapa na uguye emfie bi a etwem no, eno eso mfaso na ye nyina ye di. Eso na ye nyina ye gina, yetimi woso ye ho, yetimi kasa ema afoforo ehu ye. Sende obiko YouTube na oboye mu bi ye din a oku Google na oboye mu bi yedi na yemfoni nyina etimi ba na ye Obaapa pebi efia mini mudi nyina nanso meja ye nyina ya nem akase esi we eni keja eni aseda Onyankopon na obo wo no onhyira na onya wakoma so ade nyina emam. Be inspired by this message and start helping others. God bless you for your time. Until I come your way with another video, stay safe. God bless you. Bye-bye.